No, Mr. Chair, we have not surrendered our mandate.
How do you know that you have not surrendered?
Wisdom po ng Congress.
Pwede bang patapusin mo ako? Kasi
Committees may conduct inquiry. Administrative body shall not stop or abate any inquiry.
Mr. Chair.
Excuse me, Congressman Marcoleta, I'm still... it can be extended to appealed cases and special civil actions awaiting final disposition.
there should be a legislative purpose. Nakabalangkas na po yun.
Meron na po.
To gather information and thus legislate wisely and effectively,
Hindi po gagawa ng batas habang nagtatanong.
and to determine whether there is a need to improve existing laws.
Hindi dapat mauna po yung kabayo kaysa sa kalesa.
Ang guardian of public funds. To question the constitutionality, file a petition